Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Nayan. আপোনালোক সবকে স্বাগতম জানাইছো মোৰ YouTube channel Let's Learn with Nayan. So today we are going to discuss about rule of minus and plus sign or rule of plus and minus sign in mathematics. Okay, so let's start the topic. Okay, at the time of multiplication and division, what is the rule of this plus and minus sign? Okay, see, first rule, plus and plus become what? Plus. Whenever we will divide this plus sign with this plus sign or multiply this plus sign with this plus sign, we will get plus sign. Okay, then what? Minus sign comma minus sign, we will get what? Minus sign. Okay, whenever you will divide this minus sign with this minus sign, then we will get what? Minus. Sorry, we will get plus. Sorry. Okay, so next, third rule is there, plus or minus, it will become what? Minus. Whenever we will divide or multiply this plus with this minus sign, then we will get what? Minus. Okay, then number 4 rule is there, this minus plus, it comes out as minus. Whenever we will multiply or divide this plus sign with this minus sign or minus sign with this plus sign, we will get always minus sign. Okay, that much is very much essential when we will do our sums, especially in algebraic chapter. Okay, so this is the first rule, and now we will discuss about the rule of plus and minus at the time of addition and subtraction. Okay, the rule of plus and minus at the time of addition and subtraction. Okay, so see, first rule, plus comma plus, what will happen? Plus become plus sign. Okay, plus become plus sign, and addition of the digits obliques number oblique term. Okay, digits, numbers, oblique terms. Okay, so next what? Number 2 rule is there, minus comma minus become minus sign. Okay, minus become what? Minus sign will come at the time of subtraction or addition. Okay, minus become minus sign will come, and what will happen? Addition of the digits, terms or numbers. Okay, addition of the digits, terms or number, whatever they we will apply in the sum. Okay, so number third rule is there, or simply we can say third, fourth rule together we will write, plus comma minus or minus comma plus, if we get what we have to do. Okay, plus minus or minus plus, if there is given in your sum, then what we will do? We will always keep in mind that plus minus become greater digit sign. greater digits sign. Okay, plus minus become what? Greater digit sign. Okay, so and what will happen? And subtract smaller one, subtract smaller one, SMALL, smaller one from the greater one. Okay, this is the rule. That means plus minus become what, or minus plus becomes what? Greater digit sign always it will come. Okay, and subtraction from subtractions of smaller number from the biggest number or larger number. Okay, or greater number. Okay, so I am going to give examples of the following. Okay, at the time of this addition and subtraction, what we will do? Suppose this is 5x. Okay, this is plus 5x and this is minus 2x. Okay, how we will add this one? How we will add? We have to see that which number is greater. This is plus sign and this is minus sign, and this 5 is greater compared to this 2. Okay, so what I said, that plus minus or minus plus become what? Greater digit sign. That means what will come? This plus sign will come. Okay, and plus sign is in hidden form. If we want, we can write. If we do not, we cannot write. We no need to write. Okay, so this 5 minus 2 become what? 3, and x variable is there. We will put this x. Okay, understood na? Okay, and then you can see plus plus rule. Okay, suppose this 2x plus this 9x. Okay, then what we will do? Plus plus become what? Plus sign. Plus plus become what? Plus sign, and addition of the terms or number of digits. So 9 plus 2, 11, and x is there. Okay, so same way minus minus become also, suppose this minus 11x and then minus 9x. Okay, then what will happen? Minus minus become minus sign and addition of the digits. Okay, variable is same, so we will put it as x, and then 11 plus 9 become 20. Okay, so like that we do our problem solved. Okay, we just solve our problem. Okay, next we did this addition formula. Now I am remembering you the multiplication and subtraction rule. Okay, so suppose this is 2x and you have to multiply with this minus 4x. So what we will get? There is nothing sign, we know it is hidden, plus is there. Okay, so this x and x is same, so that will become x square. Okay, and 2 into 4 it become 8, and this plus and this minus, we knew that plus comma minus become what? Plus minus become minus. So this plus minus become minus, so minus sign will come. Okay, so that way we will solve our problem. Okay, we will apply the formula, you can say. Okay, so next one I am writing plus plus become plus, suppose. Okay, so you can see this 9x into 4x. Okay, so how we will multiply? 9 into 4, 9 4 ja 36, and x into x, x square. This is plus, this is plus, is in hidden form. Nah, plus plus become plus, no need to write. Okay, next what? This minus comma minus become what? Plus. Okay, so I am taking one more example. See this 19x or z, whatever y, whatever you what you just write. Okay, 19y into minus 19y into minus what I will write, minus 4y 3y, whatever you want you just write. So minus, and also there is minus, minus minus become what, plus sign. Okay, so 19 into 3 57. Okay, and then y into y square. Like that we will apply this formula in our mathematics. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, thank you. If you like, please share, comment to my channel. Thank you.